Good morning, students. Today we solve the rest 2 question of exercise 3.1. Exercise 3.1, rest 2 question. Question number 6. What is question number 6? If in two circles arc of same length, if in two circle arc of the same length subtends an angle 60 degree and 75 degree at the center, find the ratio of their radii. Find the ratio of their radii. There are two circles. Central angle of one circle is 60 degree and the central angle of another circle 75 degree. The name of the center is A, B, C, D, E, F. Given CD arc length is equal to arc length EF. Correct? This is given. This is L1 and this is L2. This is R1 and this is R2. And we want to find R1 by R2. We want to calculate the ratio of their radii. And in this question given L1 is equal to L2 given, and you want to find the ratio of the radii. Clear? Now we start the question. Relation you know very well. L is equal to R theta. L is equal to R theta, and we want to find R1 by R2 from this relation. What is the value of R1? R1 means L by theta. L1 by theta 1 upon, and R2 L2 by theta 2. L2 by theta 2. But you know that, but L1 is equal to L2 given. Therefore, L1 to L2 cancel. The result is theta 2 upon theta 1. And theta 2, it means angle 75 degree. 75 convert into radian. Pi by 180. Similarly, this angle also convert into radian. Pi by 180. Pi by 180 to pi by 180 cancel. Therefore, 75 by 60. Now you can cancel with the help of table 15. 15 5 ja and 15 4 ja. The answer of this question is 5:4. Correct? It means you can say the ratio of their radii is equal to 5:4. This is question number 6. Now we solve question number 7. Question number 7 of this exercise. Question number 7. Find the angle in a radian through the pendulum swing if its length is 75 centimeter and the tip describe an arc of length 10 centimeter. In this question, the radius is given, that is 75 centimeter. You know that, like pendulum, this is 75 centimeter, and the tip, this is the tip, and the tip describe an arc length, that is 10 centimeter. and you want to find the angle, this angle. We have to find this angle in radian. We want to find this angle. And formula you know, L is equal to R theta. And we want to find theta, therefore theta is equal to L by R. L you know, L means length of an arc. This is 10 by R you know 75. 5 to 10 and 5 15. 2 by 15 answer. This is the answer of this question. Okay? Because if we want to find the angle in radian, and in formula theta is also in the radian. Clear? So, thank you.